Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be making a minion, more specifically the Mattie Pop 170 figure minion. This was requested by one of my friends, Heidi, and I actually own this minion, well the pop figure. And I'm not going to be totally into precision on the pop figure minion, but I'm going to try my best. So first we're going to create a new sketch. We're going to select the bottom plane. And next we're going to do two big circles. So here, circle, we're actually going to choose a 2-point circle. So the first point is going to be the origin. Next we're going to go up until we see the 10. So that's going to be 10 in diameter. And we're going to do the same thing in the bottom. So the origin, we're going to go bottom, and it should be 10, like so. Alright, zoom out a bit. Next, we're going to create another circle. This is going to be the center circle. So from here, go out by 5. To another circle. This line, I'm going to go out by 6. And this is another 2-point circle from here to here. Like so. Now we're going to create 2 lines. So from here to here. And another line repeating the same thing on the opposite side. Alright, now we're going to trim. So I'm going to go here and find the trim command, which is right here. We're going to trim off these parts. There we go. Now, since we have this basic shape, we're going to offset it. So we go there, offset, select the outer part. We're going to offset it by 0.5. And we're going to do another offset, which is just the letter O, the hotkey commands. Select the same offset pattern that you select on the first one. This time it's going to be 1. And hit OK. Delete the dimensions. Alrighty. Now we're going to create several lines. So L for line, or it's right up here. First line is going to be from here to here. Second line is going to be from here, passing through all of this to here. Third line is going to be pretty much the same thing as the second line, from here, passing this one to right here. And make sure all your lines are in 180 degrees. So let it load for a bit. There we go. And now we're going to create basically the belt buckle. As you can see, I already created the eye, so I'm going to create the belt buckle. So we'll go right here, the offset, this one. I'm going to offset it down by 1, basically by -1. Okay, delete the dimension, and then trim off the little excess points. Oh, not that. Actually, that is actually one of the points I need to trim off anyways. There, that line circled, and this one right here. Alrighty done. Next, we're going to trim off here and here, and up top, we're actually going to trim off this one and this one. We're going to keep this little part there. So now to improve on the belt buckle. going to start by making a line from here up for about 1, going on the side for about 2, going down this time, so it takes 1 down and another 1 right there, so we need the 1 and 1 down, so it's 3, and going all the way right here for 2. Then we're going to delete this one right there, and we're going to instead create a line from the bottom to all the way to the top. Now these lines I'm creating, they're more of a reference line, so the majority of them is going to get deleted towards the end. So there you have it. Then we're going to do mirror. So we're going to hit here, mirror, select this line, and this line. Select the mirror line, which is this one right here. There, and hit OK. Alright. Now we need to offset this belt buckle for a bit. So select it here, offset, and this one, and this one. We're going to offset it a bit out. So there we go. By now 0.25. There you go. Make it a little bit thicker, and like that. So now he has a little pin up here, so we're going to hit line, this point right here, all the way here. Okay, and then create another line from here to here. Now it doesn't stick like all the way out, so we're going to hit line, select this, and point to the midpoint of that. Alright then, let it load for a bit. Now that is loaded, I'm going to select the line, but on this side, so I could make sure I'm getting the right line, and delete it, so you have this half line right there. Right, now we're going to offset here, offset. So select this, should be selected. It's from here to all the way here. There we go, from here to here. And you're going to go down by 0.10. And you're going to offset again. This time, going to go up. So instead of 0.10, it's going to be negative 0.10. So yeah. And you're going to delete this middle line. Delete this little part right there. Make a line from here to here. Okay, make another line from here to here, just in case, and gonna trim off this. There you go, and there is your belt buckle. So, this is your minion so far. Now, I'm going to be covering this in parts, so this is just part 1. And I'm going to stop here for now. I'm going to continue in part 2 next time. Thank you.